Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 12 to you, which is March the 25th through the 31st. We're still looking at the preterite tense. You're going to want to study pages 204 to 206 in your text. After completing this week's assignments, you should be able to use the preterite tense to talk about events in the past. You should be able to relate also basic information about Chile's history, economy, geography, and people. All of this week's assignments are due on the 28th. You want to start this week by looking at the instructor-made videos. You'll find instructor-made videos on stem-changing verbs in the preterite tense. After you've watched the videos or attended class, then you want to click on the class participation form, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about the material either covered in the videos or covered in class. If you have no questions or concerns, then you just need to simply state that you have no questions or concerns, but you do need to post. This week you also have a cultural assignment, your last one on Chile. So if you'll click on it, you can see there are transcripts in English for the videos. I think there's 4 videos. You'll open up each one and you'll want to click on the closed captioning, turn on the English. When you do that, the video will play in Spanish. Okay, so when you do that, you'll hear the recording, the videos in Spanish, but you'll see the captions in English. And when you're ready, hit attempt quiz now. And then you'll go through after watching the videos and you have a couple of short answer and then a bunch of true false, all based upon what you saw in the video. So make sure you're answering it with the information from the video. When you're done, then you will hit finish attempt. And remember, these have to be manually graded. You submit it. Of course, mine's going to be a big fat 0. Okay, so that's what you do for the cultural assignment. You also have some activities in My Language Labs assignment 12. So you'll go out to My Language Labs. Let's see. You will go to the course calendar and you will click on the 28th. And then the activities that are due on the 28th will pop up. So you can click on each one individually. You'll go through and answer the questions, and then you'll hit, and you can't really see it, you'll hit finish and submit for grading. I wish that would get out of the way. Finish and submit for grading after you're done. You can do it as many times as you would like before the due date, but if you're doing it more than 3 times, I suggest reaching out to me so that I can help you with it. Oral dialogue 3. In 2 weeks, you're going to complete your 3rd oral dialogue. To help you prepare for this assignment, please post written answers to the questions below, as well as list any words you use in your response that you don't know how to pronounce. So you're going to answer a qué hora, or that should be, ¿a qué hora almuerzas? ¿Qué comes para el almuerzo? ¿Te gusta la comida rápida? ¿Te gustan los sándwiches de jamón y queso? ¿Y eres vegetariano? Okay, so when you're ready, you'll hit start preparing your submission. You'll write out your answers to those questions, and then I'll see them, and then the next week you'll be critiquing a fellow classmate as well as I'll go through and critique yours, and then when you do the final draft, you'll be able to look in this workshop and use your script to create your video. Okay, and that's everything that you have to do for week 12.